Okay, welcome to Do Anything with WordPress. And today we're going to take a look at installing WordPress on another one of my favorite hosting companies, Bluehost. It's very simple, very easy. Now, these are foundational lessons that we'll continue to build on. So, we're going to start right now building with Bluehost, and we're going to install WordPress. Now, for $3.95 a month, that's an introductory offer, but it's an unbelievably great value. So, we're going to get started now. All their plans can be upgraded and you can install WordPress from any of their plans. So we're going to take the lowest option here. We're going to get a brand new domain. Okay, we're going to call this Do Anything Demo.com. And the cool thing is that this is included in the price. Now, one thing you have to be aware of, okay, so now we got doanythingdemo.com is available. We're going to fill all this out. We're not going to select these options because we can do those at a later time. We're going to make sure we want the correct pricing, and that $3.95 pricing is only available for a 36-month plan. With Bluehost, you cannot go month to month. You have to go annually. So what we're going to select is the $5.95 a month billed annually. All right, I'm going to fill all this out. I'll see you on the other side. Okay, after you hit submit and you've paid for your website, you're going to get this one upsell page that has some goodies: dedicated IP, SEO linking. I wouldn't suggest any of these. Perhaps the positive SSL if you are going to be doing e-commerce and you know that right away. However, it may take you a little while to get everything running, so you don't want to be paying for something that you're not using right away. You can always upgrade to these options. If you are transferring a website, charge you $100 for that, and then also a bunch of available domains in the same genre that you picked. I'm not going to select any of these. I'm going to hit complete, and it's going to take us to our welcome page. So now we're going to create a password. And once I've typed all this in, I've got to follow all the instructions. It's got to be a certain amount of security, a certain amount of password strength, or we can just have a password generator create one for us. I'm going to select this. I'm going to agree to the terms and service, going to fill out my password, and then we're going to continue on. Okay, after we selected our password, we're presented with another upsell opportunity. Get the right tools for the job. Optimize hosting for WordPress. You can actually upgrade that if you want, but I suggest bypassing that for now. Now, all of these screens may be there, they may not be there, depending on when you watch this. HostGator, Bluehost, all of these guys are constantly changing their upsells and offerings to entice you to buy. So don't get freaked out if it's not exactly what you're seeing when you go through the process, but suffice it to say that the bulk of the process, the installation that we're going to go through, is exactly the same. All right, so get started with helpful resources, or our team will help you get started. Do it for me, or let's do I can do it. We're going to go from here. We're going to go to website builders. Right here, we're confronted with a few different choices. You guys know what we're going to do. We're going to go to WordPress, install now. And as soon as this loads up, we'll be off and running. We'll be able to select our admin name and our password for the site. Install. And it's asking me now, where do you want to install WordPress? I am at the doanythingdemo.com domain. I can put it on a subfolder if I want, but I want it right on the root. It's going to check domain. We're good to go. So show advanced options. If we want to do that, let's see what the advanced options are. All right, so we can title our site. We're going to do any demo, admin password. Okay, and at this point, I can create an admin password. I'm going to do that. I've already checked the terms of service, and then I'm going to hit install now. Okay, so what we are presented with now is we're setting up WordPress for you. You can see the gas gauge go up. You see the progress right here, and it gives you a kind of a rundown of what's going on. It's asking you while it's doing this if you want to find a theme. We're not going to do that. That's going to be another installation of doanythingwithwordpress.com. But for now, we're just installing WordPress, getting the basics, doing the foundational stuff first, and making sure it's right. All right, so now we've got step 1 is complete. I'm going to close this window. View credentials. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, there we go. Ahoy, do anything. Edit profile, view profile. Now, let's go ahead and check out. Okay, it says congratulations on the new installation of your WordPress site. Your login information is below. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on the admin link and log in and password. Okay, here we are. We're in the dashboard. We have a complete setup. If you want to see what it looks like by default, here it is. Do anything demo. Let's go and see what theme we have as a default. And we're going to go down to appearance, themes, and it typically sets us up with the default theme of 2015. We can customize it from there. We can install WooCommerce if we want. Now, one thing you'll notice, guess what's already automatically installed with this? WooCommerce. So you're already set up with the WooCommerce plugin, and if you click here, we can install WooCommerce pages. We're not going to do that right now, but congratulations, you got your very own WordPress site on Bluehost. My name's Perry. I'll see you next time on Do Anything with WordPress.